Hey guys, so today is going to be my unboxing of my Boxycharm. This is April's Boxycharm. It came quite early, which is nice. I did see a few sneak peeks and honestly, I'm not sure how excited I am about this one. This is called Peace, Love, Boxy. And of course, it's got the desert looking thing because it's Coachella month. When you open it up, this is what it looks like, and there's some stuff falling out at me, so I'll just grab that one. And this one is the jonteblue. Okay, so I have the worst French ever. Okay, so this is the color. It's obviously black. I think it actually has, it's got flakes of, I don't know if my camera's picking it up. It's got flakes of glitter in it, and it's, the color is 1BO. BO. Or hopefully it's 1B0, not BO. That'd be a funny name for an eyeliner. This is a glittering star eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense. Update your eyes is what it says. Okay, so I am not a fan of charcoal liner. It does go on quite smooth. So I like how the glitter is literally popping up. That if I should move my hand, the light is catching it really nicely. So that is really nice. The eyeliner is $5, so that's not an inexpensive eyeliner at all. I don't really love when subscription boxes give out kohl liners, only because I don't know how many people use them. I don't use them very often, and I've gotten quite a few of them in my like subscription boxes, but I like this one because it has a bit of glitter, so I definitely am going to give that a go. Up next is, I'll take this one out here, and this is a peel, so it's this one here, and this is obviously a lip gloss. Oh, so this is a holographic lip gloss, and of course it is definitely on the whole festival theme situation, and I don't know if this is going to pick it up, but I'm just going to put a swatch on my hand here. I don't really wear lip glosses very much. I did get one in one of my Boxycharms recently, and it was the Tarte one. So I do actually use that quite a bit. So that is what it looks like. I don't know. Oh, there you go. You can pick up some of the sparkly holographic-y pieces to it. So that is that. This retails for $21. Ooh, I don't think I would ever buy this, honestly. I don't think I'd spend that much money on a lip gloss, to be perfectly honest, just because it's not my favorite. But I will definitely try it. And then up next, I'll just grab these. Okay, so these I am definitely excited for. These are a makeup brush set. They are from Luxie. So this is a trio of brushes from Luxie, and there is like a festival theme, obviously. These are Summer Daze brush set, and these are what they look like. Okay, so they actually have different colored bottoms, and then it's rose gold, and those are the three of them, and this is a small contouring brush, and then this one is a small shader brush, and then this one here is a large shader brush. So they are always super soft. I love Luxie brushes. I love getting brushes in my Boxycharm because they always, for the most part, they give out really good brushes. And the trio set is $28, which is a little expensive, but they're Luxie, so Luxie brushes are quite good. All the brushes I've gotten from Luxie before have been really good. They literally just last for quite a while. As long as you're not soaking the whole barrel, they last for quite a while, and they're definitely nice, so I can't wait to try these. I'll just do this one here. Okay, so this here is the Pure Festival makeup palette. Alright, so this is what the package of the front looks like on the package, and then this is the coloring on the back, and then okay, oh, it says on the back that there's a Get a Grip sample in here. And so this is the Pure Get a Grip primer. So I'm gonna test that out and see if I like it. I don't think I own any, honestly, I don't think I own any primers from Pure. So that's kind of cool. So this is what it looks like. Obviously, I really love the fact that it's sunglasses and then you're seeing through the sunglasses. That's the back. There is a mirror, and on the mirror it says, treat every day like a festival. So I just went to take this plasticky piece off, and I literally jabbed my fingernails into some eyeshadows. Really sucks. I hate when that happens. These are my mangled eyeshadows. Obviously, this is the one I just clobbered with my finger. Just gonna pat it back in. I'm gonna do a swatch of that one. This one is the Peace color. So that is the color. Okay, it's quite dark. I'm not too upset that I jabbed my finger into that one. This is called Wild Child here, and it is bright. These, they are very pigmented, but they also have a lot of fallout. I don't really enjoy having like such a bright color with so much fallout. And let's do a few more test outs. Let's do Sunset. This is a beautiful color. That's what that is, this one here. Fireworks is this beautiful color here. Let's see what that one looks like. Oof, I like that. Okay, so this one is Sunset, and then this one is the Firework. I think I'd get a lot of use out of the sparkle ones. Probably not so much this gypsy color, just because it's picking up really blue, but it's very, very purple. Let's see if I can get a better swatch of it. Yeah, so it's quite purple. I don't know if I will use that one, especially with this palette. Honestly, if you look at this and you literally take out these two colors here, it's a very neutral palette except for this one. So if you were to literally take out this one, and this one, wait, no, this one, and this one, it would be a very, very neutral palette. So it's not really, I wouldn't consider this festival-y, to be perfectly honest, but I will end up using it. But I'm going to do a swatch of All Night, which is the dark brown. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah, those ones are a little bit nicer. So that is this palette. So the Pure palette retails for $36, so that's okay. I don't think I'd pay $36 for this palette. And then last in my Boxycharm for this this month is this here, and I was looking forward to this one. This is the Diamond Glow Powder from Artist Couture, and I have Purple Dream. Oh, I know there's a few variations of this one, so I got variation 10, which I have no idea what variation 10 meant. This is what it looks like. We have gotten Artist Couture highlighters before. Oh, it's a highlighter. So you open it up and it has this thing here, and you just kind of, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in the cap. So it's got this, like, it kind of looks like an orange color. We'll see, hopefully it's not too orangey when I do this swatch. It's kind of got a little bit of a tinge to it, so that is it there. If I blend it out, that, oh, that'll be really nice with my skin tone. I don't know if the camera's picking up. It's kind of got like a pinky purpley shift to it. I don't think it's being picked up by my camera, but this is one of those products where you have to be careful when you place it somewhere. So like you're not spilling it every time you open it. So yeah, but I'm really excited for that. I love Artist Couture highlighters, so that is awesome. So the Artist Couture Glow Powder is $28. That was everything in this month of April's Boxycharm, so let's check to see how much it all cost. Okay, so everything kind of adds up to $117. Honestly, that's okay. It's not exactly the best thing, and I will definitely use the Artist Couture highlighter and the brushes I absolutely love, so I'll definitely use those. I will kind of use out the lip gloss. I don't know how much of it I'm going to use because I do have another lip gloss that I like, the Tarte one, a little bit, and I don't wear lip gloss very often, but it is coming into the season where it's summertime, so a little bit of shiny lip will be okay. Not that shiny lips can't happen all the time, but it's just not my thing. The eyeliner I'll probably try a few times, and if I don't like it, I will give to somebody. And then, of course, the Pure palette, I will use it. I'm just not super excited about it. All right, well, that was everything in April's Boxycharm. If you guys have not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. All right, well, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!